talagang maramdaman nila na masayang-masaya tayong lahat para sa kanila. I'd like to congratulate first the happy and proud parents of the groom. Partying with us are Daddy Ronaldo and Mommy Alma Grace Season. Tayo naman po kayo, asan po sila? Palakpakan po natin, make some noise. Love your outfit, Mommy. Welcome to the party. Sir, congratulations. Kamukhang-kamukha ni Darwin. Enjoy, enjoy. We are also joined by the parents of the bride. We have Daddy Antonio and Mommy Nisa Santillan. Kung si Darwin, kamukha si Daddy, ikaw naman ang kamukhang-kamukha. Darwin, ayaw na tuloy pumayag ni Daddy. That's my opinion, sir. That's my opinion. Parang nakikita ko eh. Anyhow, I'd also like to acknowledge their kumares and kumpares. The Ninongs and Ninang, sila po yung mga ina-idolize ni Darwin sa ni Mariel as good image ng marriage and of course, career. Sila rin po ay sumuporta para sa kasalan na to, and most importantly, they accepted the responsibility of guiding the couple as second parents. So everybody, palakpakan din po natin sila. To start off our Ninongs and Ninangs, we have Peter Joseph Mendoza and Jeannie Taclan. Are they here? Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Jeannie. We also have from Baguio, Alexander Taclan and Joy Basanubre. From North, ang layo po ng binayan. Mag-i-stay po kayo dito sa Manila, I guess, ano? Thank you so much. We also have Ninong Joseph Dinuya and Juliet Santillan. Palakpakan po natin. Hello, hello. Francisco Rivera and Zenaida Rivera in the house. Johnny Orteza and Leonima Orteza. Love the outfit. Sparkling. We are also joined by Ninang Mira Sison and Melchior Camara. Oh, I love the hair. Not sure if naka-attend po yung mga susunod kong sasabihin, but I think we are being captured by the video right now. So we also want to thank Evangeline Moro and also Sean Domingo and Mona Lisa Domingo. Thank you so much. Ano? Lahat po ba ng ninong at ninang nabanggit ko naman? Yeah? Kompleto? Oh? Malakas po ba? Hinaan po natin konti. Sige po. Hinaan daw natin ng konti. Si Lola. Speaking of Lola, gusto ko rin pong i-acknowledge yung mga lolo at lola ng ating couple. We have the grandfather of Darwin. Joining us is Almirante Taclan. Ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by Lolo. We also have Lola Nelly Sison. Is she here? And Lola Susana Santillan. Okay. And lastly to add, we also have Ninong and Ninang Caballero. Are they here? Yes, nakadating po. Palakpakan po natin. Andito po sila. Kala ko po, bridesmaid lang po kayo eh. So young and so vibrant. Anyhow, the groomsmen and bridesmaids, makikilala po natin sila later on because I was told that we're gonna be having a parade with the couple. Now, alam niyo po, medyo malayo din yung pinanggalingan ko. I came all the way from Rizal. So it took me around 3 hours of biyahe just to be here because of the heavy traffic. Mag-New Year na eh. Ano? So, dahil ayaw kong malit, nagtigil ako ng jingle, kahit jingle na ako sa biyahe. Kaya pagdating ko dito sa Manila Hotel, naghanap agad ako ng CR. You know? So pagpunta ko ng CR, jingle ako, I saw this guy next to me. Pero nakatalikod siya eh. Hindi ko masyadong maitsura. Nakatalikod, jingle din. But I had a good feeling. Sabi ko, parang si Darwin to. Parang si Darwin. So I tried. I called him. Sabi ko, bro, Darwin. And then he was like, hey, Stephen, nice to meet you, pare. Sabi niya sa akin. Of course, I shook his hand kasi puro Zoom meeting lang kami before. That was the first time I saw him in the flesh. And then Darwin told me, he said, Stephen, you know what? I want to start the program right away. Kasi ayokong magutom yung mga bisita, for them to get bored, no? But the problem is, yung makeup kasi ni Yel, hindi pa tapos, sabi niya. I think maiintindihan mo naman ako kasi diba, 2 years ka ng kasal, sabi sa akin ni Darwin. Oo, brother, parang rule yan eh. Bawal madaliin pag nagpapaganda sa misis eh. Kaya nakaisip ng magandang idea si Darwin. Bumunot siya. Darwin gave me, dollars pa nga eh, a full tank gasoline in cash or $100 US. Do the math. Magkano po ito? Ngayon ha? Ngayon. 5,700? 800? 5,800 good for a full tank gasoline. The good thing is, isa daw sa inyo yung mag-uuwi nito ngayon. Kaya palakpakan naman natin si Darwin for his generosity. Panggas ninyo kung mauuwi ninyo. Okay? So itatabi ko muna. Darwin and I would like to indulge you in playing a short game while waiting for Mariel. Ano? We have some play monies here. Ang gagawin namin, we will distribute each play money to each and every one of you. Make sure that you have a play money in your hand because this is your chance to win 5,800 right here, right now. Okay? Pamigay natin, coordinators, brother, pamigay natin. Kuha po kayo ng isa. Ayan. Bigyan niyo po yung mga kumari ninyo. Daddy, sir? Bigyan niyo sila. Get one and pass. Pwede naman pong mag-giveaway na kayo, ma'am. Kasi baka bumalik lang yung premyo, eh, no? Thank you, ha? Thank you, ma'am. Yung iba pong parents sa kasal, talagang lumalaban pa rin, eh. Kasi I do this for a living, no? For 8 years, I've been hosting weddings, no? Just get one and pass. Hinaan na lang natin ng konti yung background music kasi I want everyone to be comfortable, no? Yung background lang, ha? Yung mic. Yung boses ko naman po, okay lang. Okay. Just get one. Sobra? Okay. So, everybody, let me explain the mechanics of the game. We will play a game called the Bato-Bato Pick Battle Royale. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors. So, mechanics are, for example, ito pong table na to, maglalaban-laban sila ng bato-bato pick. Pipili ka ng kalaban, probably the person sitting right next to you, bato-bato pick. Pag nanalo ka, kukunin mo yung play money niya. Tanggal na siya, upo na siya. Now your goal is to be the champion in your table. Ikaw lang yung matira, talunin mo silang lahat. So that goes the same way for all the tables. The champions will proceed to the NBA playoffs, best of the best. Yung huling matitira, 5,800 pesos. Ganun kasimple. Okay? Lahat ba may play money na? Lahat? Can you please wave them up high? Attract positive energy. Yung mga nasa record, meron na? Meron na? Okay. Kilos-kilos tayo. Can we all stand, ladies and gentlemen? Let's find out who wins 5,800 tanggas. Pick an opponent. Probably the person standing right next to you. Siya yung una mong kalaban. Pwede rin yung katapat mo. Before we start, listen carefully. Friends and family, you can only use, this is very important, ha? You can only use rock, paper, and okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! All the losers, sit down. Again, we're looking for one champion per table. Isa lang ang matitira. Isa lang. Is Sir still in the game? Is he still in the game? Okay. Baka dinaya niya siya, hindi naman? Okay. Sorry. May champion na po kayo. So, sir, oh, congratulations. Relax muna kayo, sir, ha? Also, ha? May champion na? Sige, sige. Settle niyo muna. Para may anak yung kalaban mo, ha? May anak, ha? Para hindi ka naahawa sa may anak. Talagang binabalandra na nga niya sa'yo. Panggatas, eh, no? Anyhow, again, in 3, 2, 1, bato, bato, pick! Isang ninong na lang ang natitira. Ay, parehas natanggal yung mga ninong. Okay. Let's go, pare, no? Ito kalaban mo, siya, ha? Also, ha? May champion na? Sige, sige. Settle niyo muna. Pare, may anak yung kalaban mo, ha? May anak, ha? Pare, hindi ka naahawa sa may anak. Talagang binabalandra na nga niya sa'yo. Panggatas, eh, no? Anyhow, you can see from the reactions kung sino yung mga kasali pang table, eh, no? Just like that, we are now in the semi-final round. Okay. Here we go. Who will move on to the championship round in 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick! Oh, no! Sayang naman, pare. The ladies made it. Step on stage. Welcome to the championship round. Table 4. Where are you guys? 4. Okay. Nonchalant lang sila. Isa lang yung masaya. Yun lang bibigyan mo ng palato, ha? Okay. And?
13.
13. Okay. Your name is?
Chin.
Chin and?
Colleen.
Colleen. Chin and Colleen. Do you know each other? No? Show some respect. Shake hands. Say, hi, girl. Any trash talk you want to say to Colleen? No? Anything you want to say? Wala naman? Okay. Good luck. Let me take that for you. Ladies and gentlemen, one of them will be winning financial stability. Plus the title of the Bato Bato Pick Battle Royale Champion of the Night. Ilabas ang award. Ayan na. Colleen and Chin. This is it. The Bato Bato Pick Battle Royale Championship Trophy is in the house. Pwede niyong ilagay sa bedroom. Bato Bato Pick Champion. December 28. Unang maka 3 points, ha? First to 3 points. 3 points. Okay? Good luck. Let's begin round number 1. First and front. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick. Chin. 1-0. 1-0. Kayo yun. Okay? Dalawa na lang. 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick. Colleen. All one. All one. Isa lang talaga yung pumapalak kasi. Siya lang. Okay. Tiebreaker. 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick. Colleen. Takes the lead. 2-1. Isa na lang, ha? 5-8. 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick. Oh, Chin! All two. Ito na. Championship na talaga. Do or die for 5,800. 3, 2, 1. Bato, bato, pick. Chin! Everybody! It was a close battle. 5,800 for Chin! Congratulations! Wag mo muna papalit yan, ha? Bukas na. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Chin, everybody. Congratulations, Chin. Picture ka daw, solo. Oh. Gusto niyo sumali? Wag na. Okay, siya na lang. Congratulations. You can keep it. Okay.